Good day, viewers. Welcome once again to our channel. We say thank you so much for viewing our previous broadcast to this channel. So today we want to welcome you to the tutorial section of our channel where we begin to teach physics and mathematics. So we would like you to subscribe and turn on the notification buttons. If you do that, God will bless you. Now, we want to let you know that we are going to look at these topics, physics and maths, according to the curriculum. In Nigeria, for the senior secondary schools SS1, 2, and 3, there is a curriculum. The curriculum is an arrangement of the topics, the way they should be learned, the way they should be taught. So with me here, this is curriculum from the Ministry of Education. This is curriculum for SS2, Senior Secondary 2. And this one is for Senior Secondary 1. And this one here is for Senior Secondary 3. We took time to gather them and the way they are arranged. If a close look at the curriculum makes you know that these topics are arranged in such that the end of one is the beginning of the second one. So we don't jump the topics. And this is one of the problems why our students in secondary schools, even in high schools, they don't do well. If anything happens and the child doesn't go to school in a day due to ill health or elements of weather and climate or political reasons or social unrest or whatever happens that makes a child not to go to school in a day, there is a blank space created in the learning process of that child. Whatever that is taught that day is a vacuum, is a blank space. So here we begin to fill in the blank spaces in the learning process of the child. That is one. So in order to do that, in Nigeria, we have topics, everything arranged in weeks. Learning is arranged in weeks. So every week we are going to upload 6 classes, 2 for physics SS1, 2 for physics SS2 and SS3. The same goes with maths. So 6 videos will be uploaded weekly. So you follow them week 1, week 2, week 3 in that order. There are 10 weeks of learning, 2 weeks of exams and revision and so on. So it's going to be interesting. And every time there are little pet projects or experiments which we may be doing to enhance the learning or to make our learning more and more efficient. So as we progress, we'll advise you to subscribe and let your children follow it. And you also should follow it, because there are some students in the high schools, not in the colleges or in the universities, that are having problems due to the background, due to the poor background they passed through when they were in secondary schools or primary schools or kindergarten schools. They didn't do so well. They didn't understand these basic principles of maths and physics and so on. So we'll also advise you, even if you're in the universities, to follow our lessons. They are going to help you fill in the blank spaces in your head. Thanks for watching.